Do you know how to make the Brandwhich? No?
I'll show you.
All right. First, you gotta wash your hands. You gotta use soap, or else you're gonna have your nasty hands all over everything. Get a plate. Put 2 pieces of bread. Get some honey ham or Black Forest ham. Then you put 9 pieces of turkey pepperoni on it, or regular pepperoni. It's up to your taste. But next step is to get black pepper, and you put it onto the pepperoni. It brings out the flavor big time. Now you put on some mozzarella cheese or American cheese. It's up to your choice. Make it your own. Now the next part of this, you put salt on the cheese. That really brings out some flavor. And next thing you do, you put it in the toaster. Just toast it to your likeness. I like to melt the cheese a little bit. Just give it a good crunch so it holds everything. And so I just put it in for 5 minutes at 400. And crack something cold while you're waiting. Yeah, and we get the door open. Oh. And so just be safe. I burnt myself trying to get this out without the fork earlier. And next is the fun part. You can add all the toppings you want. I like to put mayonnaise on the other side of the bread. Got to make it look like an S. Or I tried to at least, but it didn't work. Banana peppers. You got to have banana peppers. Add as much as you like or as little as you like. Same with the jalapenos. Jalapenos are next, of course. Or you can put jalapenos first and then banana peppers. It's up to you. Make it your own. But this is what I do, and this is what makes it the Brandwich. And yeah, I was feeling a little adventurous today, so I put some mustard on it. Not a whole lot. You don't want overpower. Well, so the next thing you do is add a bread and butter pickle. Or a dill pickle. It just depends what you want to do. There we have it. There it is. There's the Brandwich. Let's take a bite and see how it is. How is it? Approved. And that is how you make a Brandwich. Have a great day.